Most people think their future changes with a big decision. It doesn't. It changes with one choice you make today. One walk, one rep, one real food meal, one night of real sleep. One moment where you decide to live like the person you want to become. Hey, it's Wendy. I help women in midlife rebuild strength, confidence, and vitality through simple, identity-shifting daily actions. And I'm really glad you're here. I first learned about the future self idea way back in 2000 during my life coaching course. At that time, the concept of speaking to myself from 20 years ahead felt really strange. So it was suggested as a part of the program to write a letter to myself from my future self. I was really unsure of this idea. However, I wrote it anyway. Years later, when I found that letter in a file and read it again, it was mind-blowing and impactful how helpful the letter for me, even a few years after writing it, was. And it was completely accurate. It was just really fascinating. It reminded me that who you become is shaped by the choices we make long before we see the results. Before we go deeper in this idea, take a breath, reflect, reset, and reconnect for yourself. Ask yourself now, how was your week? How did it feel for you emotionally, physically, and energetically? Did anything shift for you in your movement or mindset over the past week? What is one win that you're celebrating right now? Every step, every rep, every real food meal, every night of real sleep is a vote for the person you're becoming. So becoming the person you want to be. We live in a world full of noise, stress, screens telling you what to fix, ads telling you what to buy, opinions telling you who to be. It's really easy to lose yourself in all of it. But here's the thing your nervous system needs to hear right now. You're not broken, you're not behind, and you're not starting from zero. You're really ready for more strength, more energy, more confidence, and more ownership of your future. And this is a very, very powerful place to stand. Who do you want to become next? Before you change anything, pause and ask yourself, what do I value most right now? What brings me joy? What am I proud of? What do I want to be remembered for? What kind of life do I want to be living 1 year from now? This isn't about perfection. It's about alignment. When your values lead, your habits finally make sense. Once you name those values, imagine the version of you who is already living them. The version of you who wakes up stronger, moves with intention, eats to support longevity, and treats your body like a partner. Now comes the shift. Start living as if you're already that person. Not someday, not when life slows down, today. So why action beats overthinking? Your mind repeats thousands of thoughts a day, many of them negative, many of them old, but action interrupts the loop. Action builds identity. Action is how you become the person you want to be. So today, ask yourself, what would the future me do today? If she wants more strength, maybe she does 5 squats and 5 wall push-ups right now. If she wants more energy, maybe she takes a 10-minute walk this morning or after dinner. If she wants more calm, maybe she gets outside in the morning sunlight or sets a real bedtime before 10:30. Small actions done consistently are how you build a body and life that feels like yours again. So your invitation for the week: choose one tiny action your future self would take and do it today. Take a walk, a strength workout, or maybe a real food meal with a high quality protein cooked in your own kitchen. A good night's sleep before 10:30, because that's gold. Not perfectly, just consistently. Because the moment you start acting like the person you want to become, your brain begins to believe you. Your confidence grows and your body responds. This is how real change happens in midlife, through identity. So I have a question for you today. What is one choice you can make today that your stronger, more energized future self will be grateful for? And share that comment. I read them all. And if this sparks something in you, don't ignore it. Momentum loves speed. And walking was my turning point, but it was part of a larger framework that really did save my health. And if you're tired of starting and stopping because your body feels depleted, I invite you to download my 5-step plan of strength and longevity. It's the roadmap I used to move from burnout to the best shape of my life at 67. The link will be in the description, and it's completely free. These are your foundations. They're simple, practical, and proven. Get the link in the description. We'd love to hear your comments, so be sure to share them below. We read all of them. I invite you to please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help others see our content, and we do really appreciate it. I want to thank you for being here. I'm Wendy, and if you want to find out more about us, you can find us at wendybottrell.com. Thanks. Enjoy.